Hi guys, here 6 plus 18 is 24 divided by 3 times this 2 minus 4. Here 24 divided by 3 is 8 times 2 minus 4. Here 8 times 2 is 16 minus this 4. Here 16 minus 4 is 12 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 12 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the first priority is bracket. We don't have the bracket in this problem. The next priority is exponent. Exponent also not there in the problem. So next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication in this problem. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 18 divided by 3. So we have to do this division before any other operation. So 6 plus 18 divided by 3 is 6 times 2 minus 4. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 6 plus, here 6 times 2 is 12 minus 4. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this one, 6 plus 12. Here 18 minus 4. Here 18 minus 4 is 14 is the correct answer.